हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ सब बढ़िया होंगे, मज़े में होंगे और ठीक ठाक होंगे। तो आज जो है मेरे डिपार्टमेंट में कुछ पार्टी चल रही है, पता नहीं कुछ प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, तो मैं वहीं जा रहा हूँ कि कंटेंट की कमी हो गई इसलिए जा रहा हूँ। सच बात तो यही है। बाकी और रात को मैंने बहुत सारा काम किया था तो नींदें भी आधी अधूरी है, आँखें सूजी सूजी लग रही हो सकती है, तो कोई बात नहीं, आप संभाल लेना। तो अभी मैं रेडी हो चुका हूँ, इस तरह का कुछ लुक है तो देख सकते हो। मैं ज़्यादा अच्छा सुंदर बन के जाता नहीं, फिर अलग बात है वो। चलो फिर मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ फटाफट, और मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ क्या नहीं, तो संभाल लेना। आज मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है तो मैं कुछ भी बोल रहा हूँ, तो फटाफट चलते हैं, लेट हो रहे हैं फिर।
3000 years later.
भाई आ तो गया लेकिन एंट्री कहाँ से यही नहीं पता। बंदे बुला रहा हूँ, कहाँ पर है भाई, दिख नहीं रहे।
His childhood was spent in the village itself. Sri Ram Viranjan has an elder brother who is a farmer. His mother's name is Shanti Devi. Sri Ram Viranjan
ये
ji's
वाइट शर्ट वाले
childhood
की
was
बात हो
spent
रही है।
in their affection and love. Sri Ram Viranjan ji's wife is Mrs. Prabha Devi, who is a teacher in a good convent school. They have two sons. The first son works in Bank of America and the other son is studying Dr. Ram Viranjan ji's private education was in Allahabad. Sri Ram Viranjan ji studied in a small school in a village itself. Then in 1987, showing interest in painting in the subject of art, he obtained a diploma from Allahabad University. In 1988, he also obtained a postgraduate degree from Allahabad University. In 1989, he passed the National Academic Examination. Then in 1998, he also did PhD from Allahabad University. Dr. Ram Viranjan ji is influenced by his parents and also by his guru, Sri Jamuna Prasad ji. He started his art education from his guru. Dr. Ram Viranjan ji started his teaching career from a small school in his village. He taught in this school for some time. Dr. Ram Viranjan ji has a glorious career of 29 years, starting as a lecturer in fine arts from J.V. Jain College, Saharanpur. He joined Kurukshetra University as a lecturer in 1996. He became the chairman of finance department in 2004 and is still in the office till 2020. During his tenure as chairman, he started BFA and MFA for the first time in the state of Haryana. Now, this department is very famous and is among the top 10 arts institutes in the country. He also served as vice rector at Palgador State University, Kazakhstan from April-November 2018. Apart from being an administrator, he is a very famous artist of the country. Dr. Ram Viranjan ji is passionate about art as well as playing flute and has 13 solo exhibitions to his credit, including national and international art galleries and institutions. He has participated in many international triennials and biennials in China, South Korea, Thailand, USA, Malaysia, Romania, Kazakhstan, Albania, Hong Kong, Bangladesh, Bulgaria, and India. He has participated in more than 120 art exhibitions in India and abroad. He has participated in more than 150 art exhibitions in the country itself. He is author of Contemporary Art of India and has published more than 20 research papers and many popular articles in newspaper and magazines. He was associated with many universities as a member of BOS in Fine Arts. He was first curator of Heritage Museum Dharohar at Kurukshetra University. He visited 3 countries, China, South Korea, and Kazakhstan as a professional artist, visiting professor and publisher. Please have a big round of applause for him.
बुकड़ों की ना हो रही है लड़ाई। अरे वाह, वो देखो समोसे के ऊपर टूटती हुई जनता।